What is going on, everyone? Joe G here, and thanks for stopping by my channel. Hope all of you are staying safe during this COVID-19 pandemic. It has been some time since I put up a demo video here, so we're gonna go ahead and demo off this Mr. W Fireworks reloadable fountain. Now, if you guys saw my video back a couple months ago when I went out to the Mr. W Superstore in Valverde for Texas Independence Day, this is one of the items I picked up because I've never seen a reloadable fountain before, so I wanted to check this out and do a demo video on this for you guys here. It looks like it's coming, got the little tube right there, and then the canisters on the side, the fountain, you're gonna load them in. So it looks like we got 6 in the box. And as far as the effects, all it's saying is emit showers of sparks. See if it's got anything on the side. Same thing there, and nothing there. So probably just, I mean, the effects might be just that basic of a cone fountain, or maybe even possibly the old school Twitter glitter fountain. It still is daytime right now, but I do want to light a few of these off. So we'll go ahead and we'll do half of the box right now, and then once it gets dark, we'll go ahead and do the rest. Okay, so we see here, this is going to be the tube. Not very big, and these are going to be, the reloadable fountain is going to go inside, and there are 6 of them total. So it's cool. It looks like they each have some different effects to them. Guys, last one, not bad for the Mr. W reloadable fountain. Hey guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section. I will reply. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe.